A group of Uptown Dallas neighbors think they found a secret weapon to keep a new Sam's Club out of the City Place neighborhood. They say letters they received omitted language about the big box store, a notification the city requires. Channel 8's David Schechter reports.
At a city council session today, City Place neighborhood activist Jonas Park delivered a box full of signatures. It's a petition to stop Sam's Club from being built by developer Trammell Crow at 75 and Haskell near the City Place Tower.
More than 2,500 people trust me to deliver the signed petitions so that you could look after their collective interest.
While residents know a petition is important, they're hoping having the law on their side is even more so.
Now with this legal argument, we feel like we have a very solid grounds by which we can prevent the SAMs from being developed. And so this is a huge step forward for us.
Here's the legal argument. Plopping down a 100,000 square foot megastore is such a big deal. Dallas rules say nearby residents deserve to know it's coming and speak up if they choose. This is the letter the city sent to neighbors about the coming development, and there's no mention of a 100,000 square foot store.
The law requires that when the zoning change happens, residents be given notice as to what the use change is going to be. And if you don't tell them what the use change is going to be, they have no way to evaluate whether or not they need to show up at the hearing and speak about it.
In fact, neighbors point to city code, which for a big box store actually requires additional approval called a special use permit. They say that's approval that Trammell Crow never got.
And so this is a huge step forward for us.
In a statement, the Trammell Crow company writes, "We have full confidence that the city staff properly handled this case throughout the 12 months it was under review." It's a late development in the neighborhood's bid to stop Sam's Club, and it's one that could dominate a hearing tomorrow at City Hall on a deal the developers considered all but done. David Schechter, Channel 8 News.
City of Dallas tonight says the city attorney is looking into the issue but can't comment further. Tomorrow, the Dallas Planning Commission will hear neighbors' concerns.